Sorry sa ating team Pao, bago sila mag-sign. Photo op lang po kami ulit. Team Pao. Sorry, photo lang namin yung sign. Sorry, photo lang namin yung sign po. Ayan. Pao, sorry team. Photo op lang po tayo ulit. Sorry, last photo op lang po. Pao, last photo op lang. Please, give me the end, of course. Again, maraming salamat sa aming food sponsor, Choking. Thank you so much. Again, supportan panoorin po natin ang paborito po natin shows at lipstick. Batang Quiapo 8 p.m. Linanda Celebrity version 8:45. Ice Cream 9:30 p.m. Monday to Friday sa Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya On and Live, A2Z TV at TV5. Maraming salamat. Siyempre panoorin niyo po every weekend simula ng gabi ang What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Tuwing Sabado naman po 7:15 sa Kapamilya Channel at A2Z at 7 p.m. naman sa TV5. Tuwing linggo naman po 7 p.m. sa Kapamilya Channel, A2Z at 7 p.m. sa TV5. Again, maraming salamat, guys.
Thank you sa mga nasa.
Thank you po, maraming salamat. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. po sa Kapamilya Channel and TV5. And din lang, Monday to Friday.
Apo, Monday to Friday pagkatapos ng Batang Quiapo. At si Kim po, Monday to Sunday napapanood niya po.
Yes, grabe.
Ikaw din, Monday to Sunday.
Again, SMCP Pasino, maraming salamat. Mapalakpakan po natin na lahat po ng mga nakasama po natin today. And of course, sa lahat ng cast, kasama natin dito sa stage ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Again, supportahan po natin mga Kapamilya shows. Thank you everyone. Ingat po tayo pag-uwi. Have a great weekend.